Hello my dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful greeting card for Father's Day with this beautiful box envelope, and you can just open the envelope like this, and inside this you will get the very attractive waterfall card which is completely hand painted, and it will work like this. It's looking awesome, and I have written here, Dad, you are the greatest hero in my life. Super cute idea to gift in Father's Day, and you can just open the card like this to add some extra messages. And now I am just putting it back on the box envelope. So let's get started. For this I have already prepared some paintings on this white sheet which measures 6.8 by 6.8 centimeters, and I have given the link in description box for template for all 4 drawings, so you can just download it and print it or draw it on your desired paper. For this I have used 300 GSM white sheet. Now I'm just coloring each painting one by one using watercolors. I'm using different color backgrounds for each drawing. Allow it to dry, and I'm proceeding for the second drawing. Now I am starting with my third painting. And then I am proceeding for the last one. Allow it to dry completely. Then I'm taking back my first drawing and coloring all the images using black watercolor or poster color. I'm just sprinkling little white watercolor using my brush to create some stars, and then I'm coloring images using black watercolor. Like this. In the similar way, I will color rest of my drawings. So all 4 drawings are done and it's ready to use. Now I'm taking one orange color sheet which measures 7 by 7 centimeters, and I'm going to stick my all drawings on these orange square sheets. The orange sheet is having 220 GSM thickness, so it will work like a mat for our all 4 photographs, like this. Now I'm taking this sheet which measures 21 by 8 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 centimeters. Now folding all the creases. And then just add glue on the first slot and start adhering your paintings one by one. I have changed my mind little bit, so I am adding the red one first and the orange one I will add at the end, so that it will look on the top when we will open our card. So similar way I am adding rest of my cards. In place of these paintings, you can also use photographs of you and your father. So it's done. Allow it to dry for some time. Then I'm going to cut this excess paper from both the sides. And it will work like this. Now to create belt, I'm taking this piece which measures 20 by 2 centimeters and just take this last flap of card and wrap the belt around it. Now just add glue on the center part of this belt, connect with this flap. Then close your card, and exactly on the back side I will just connect these belts. So only add glue on the belt. And it will work like a stopper for all our photographs. So when we will hold the belt, the waterfall card will work like this. Very smooth and very easy. Now from the bottom I have just marked on 6 centimeters, and I am going to cut this excess paper because we don't need that much long strip in the bottom. And then I am using this beautiful border punch by Dress My Craft and punching the bottom like this. And our card is ready. Then I'm taking this golden sheet which I'm going to add in the bottom. This measures 7.5 by 12 centimeters. So just adding little glue only on the belt. And before connecting it with the golden sheet, I am taking the card base which measures 16 by 12.5 centimeters. I have just folded it in half, and first I am going to adhere my golden sheet on the card, and then I will stick my waterfall card. Like this. Then I am taking this one more sheet which measures 30 by 11 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 7, 8, 23 and 24 centimeters. Here I am making envelope box for our card, so I have just folded these creases like this, and it should look like this. Now I am taking one piece of strip here which measures 15 by 2 centimeters, and I am just folding it from the center. In the same way I have created one more folded strip of the same size. Now taking back the large sheet, and I have creased on 1 centimeters on both the sides. So I am going to cut the strip only till the second crease like this. Similarly, I am repeating it on all 4 sides. Just fold these strips, and I will going to connect these small strips which we have created. So just add glue on the half portion and stick with this folded part. So it will work like a envelope stopper. In the same way I am adding on other side. And then add little glue on this bottom flap only on the edge and connect like this. So our box envelope is ready. Then I am decorating it using some pattern papers. So first I am adding the pattern paper on the front part. All these pattern papers are handmade, and I have used stencils and distress inks to create these patterns. Now I'm taking these Velcro dots and I'm just connecting these inside the envelope so that we can easily close and open our box envelope. You can also use magnet or ribbon to close the box. Adding another Velcro on top of this and just sticking it on another side. And it's done. Just secure it very well. And our box envelope is ready. Now I'm just decorating it using some golden punch border. I have also added golden strip all around the box just to decorate it a little more. And inside the box also I have added golden strip on both the sides. It's looking very awesome and very attractive. And then I'm decorating it using this sentiment Happy Father's Day. I have added mount board on the back side to give little height to my sentiment. And then I'm decorating it with some quilling flowers, leaves and butterflies. All these flowers and leaves are very basic. If you want to learn it, I have given link in description box, you can check there. And also the butterfly I have created in one of my videos where I have shown different kind of butterflies. So if you have missed that video, I have given the link in description box of that butterfly as well. You can check there. Like this. Then just opening my card and adding the sentiment on this flap. Dad, you are the greatest hero in my life. Then I'm just showing you the card one more time. You can add an extra message inside the card if you wish. And taking back my box envelope and putting the beautiful card inside this. I have created the box envelope according to my card size. So if you want to change the size, you have to change the envelope size as well. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.